Greetings to everyone. This is Dr. Mabaso coming to you again with an interesting episode where we are discussing cancer. So as you see, as I'm showing you there, you can have a situation like that where you've got the normal cells, and the tumor suppressor genes in the normal cells, they prevent cancer. But when you look at the cancer cells in that area of the cancer cell there, or a tumor cell, DNA that inactivate the tumor suppressor gene can lead to that uncontrolled growth, So if you look at this microenvironment, you will begin, this is what you will see. This was your normal tissue or normal cells, but now it begins to bring some T cells, dendritic cells, regulatory T cells, fibroblasts, cancer cells, everything is coming, natural killer cells, macrophage, myeloid cells, they begin to come. This is what we call a tumor microenvironment. All right. So you may find that the immune system will interact with a cell and begins to have that issue where you, for example, you see an attack, and here you see how it evades it, the cancer cells and the immune cells. I just brought that diagram just to show you the kind of activity that can happen there, And here also, how do the genetic changes after cancer treatment, you can see a response here, and you can see a non-response here when you begin to see on the DNA change. All right, so if there is no response, DNA change, you can begin to see it there. All right, okay, so these are some, just I'm giving you on a schematic sort of diagram. So when you look at the cancer cells, all I can say, anything that causes a normal body cell to develop abnormally, potentially can cause cancer. What am I talking about here? I'm talking about things like your chemical compound exposures. I'm talking about things like your toxic compound exposure, your ionizing radiation, as you can see. It could be an ionizing ultraviolet radiation, as you see there. It could be literally, like I've shown, the chemicals. It could be even, pathogens. Look at viruses there can cause that. It can be human genetics, hereditary. You can begin to see the just cell dividing, smoking. These are some of the things which can cause even a genetic change. All right. Thank you very much. We will meet again on our next episode. Bye.